Oh, hello folks. Bruce here. Well, here it is. My mid-season garden. This is one of the better gardens I've had in a long time. We've had a reasonable spring with decent amounts of moisture. It was a bit dry in the early part of spring, but now it's been pretty good. You know, every 3 or 4 nights we're getting a shower. So here we go. Oh, there's the big apple tree. Whoa! And this, you might have seen a video of me rototilling the garden with the old Stalwart rototiller. I think the pea fences, I never took them down last year. Whoop, there. Pansies in the back there in that oak barrel. Kind of pretty. So we have potatoes, beans, 2 rows of carrots. They're just spaced lovely. I planted them thin. The peas now, they're struggling again a bit, but okay. And we've got a couple of clematis here in the archway. This one's big and this one's little. And the peas are attempting to climb the fence. I'm training my peas. Peas, climb the fence. There's our old compost pail. And then back there is kohlrabi. And then just this front section here is turnips and then a row of beets. And I've thinned those already, so they should be able to just grow and give us beets in another couple of months. I haven't had large onions like this in a long time. And I've been trying a few different things. Some of them are bulbing out already, and it's not even mid-season. Just beginning of mid-season. How's that sound? And another few potatoes alongside the onions. They might have, a couple of them may have to get removed. I didn't realize I'd put them so close to the onions up the back there. And then we have zucchini in the front here. And the back 3 are pumpkin. They look the same, very similar leaf, although the pumpkin leaves have more of a heart shape. And then the pansies at the other end in another oak barrel. We have a very strong sense of symmetry around here. So yeah, it's looking great. The 5 trees planted, I think 5 years ago now. It's all great, eh? Thanks. And then on the south side of the garage, we've got our tomatoes. Well, 4 different varieties. And then on the end of each row we have the tiny, like the cherry tomatoes there. And here. And then in the front, I planted these by seed. These are marigolds. I seeded these marigolds by seed. And then on the other side, this is the row of carrots that my little great niece planted. And these are smaller onions for salad greens. And then some more marigolds on the outside. 3 peppers, excuse me. And then right here, we're just getting out now. I planted these after we did some radishes in this plot. So just a few potatoes. And lettuces, 2 different types. Romaine and butter crunch. And then some red lettuce back there. The other two types did not germinate. Like, yeah, that's a mix, eh? And then on the other side of the Canadian flag is some spinach. Yeah, so we're having a lovely year for gardening. And you'll know what time of year this is because it's Canada Day tomorrow. We have our wonderful, beautiful flag in quite a few places. The deck's looking good. Yeah, we're having a beautiful year. And there you go, my friends who know me. I got my stripes. I mowed this with the John Deere LX 178, 44-inch cut. I used to joke around about having a machine to cut the back lawn, but now I'm kind of appreciating it now that I'm getting older. There's another one of our wonderful flags. So tomorrow's our Canada's birthday. These are called columbine. They are the official flower of our city. Aren't they something? They're all their heads are down right now because it's getting moisture out here. Got lily, bleeding heart, fern, and here's the front of the house. My dear wife cut the front with our Honda GCV 160, probably 15 years old. And then this is the left side over here is some nasturtiums. Ken from Ken's Small Engine, he plants them too, and his are much nicer than mine because I think he has a better climate. Plus it's kind of dry out front here. And then just the remaining pots, irises, no, those are glads out there. So yes. Thanks for watching, it means a lot.